All right, boom. So a lot of people have been asking me, what do you get in the alerts with Pitbull alerts? And a few things have changed since I recorded the order video. So I kind of wanted to give you a test drive of a day today. So you'll see bright and early, I'm rise and grind everybody. I let you know what the futures are looking like. From there, I start composing a watch list with you, letting you know what news has been released on the day, what charts look like good setups, maybe plays from the prior week. So you'll see this morning, I was saying we're watching Tesla. We had entered it last week, actually, the Tesla plays when Tesla was about $650, and today Tesla ran to $762. So we're up 110 points just on that play. That was insane. And I was letting everybody know that on average, Tesla moves 27% on the weeks leading up to earnings because they're expected to release earnings in 2 to 3 weeks. Also watching SPCE, and then I dropped, if I saw the news, I'm going to drop the article right there. AGC also ran today. A big merger deal went through. So I'm composing a watch list in the morning, letting you guys know what I'm looking at, and not just what I'm looking at, but why I'm looking at it, okay? And then, before the open, I'm letting you know Tesla's ready to rock it. Still composing the watch list, NVIDIA, CPNG, letting you know what I'm holding if I'm holding it. And then with Tesla, like I said, we're already in that play, so I saw it pulling back at the open like it does a lot. I knew people would get scared, so I wanted to let everybody know, it was bouncing off the 722 resistance. If it breaks under that, then you can be scared, but if not, we should be safe. And it bounced off of that, ran up to 762. Let them know I'm loading the boat with certain calls just because they were super cheap. And because somebody announced a price target of 15, we've been holding those. So I loaded up on 5, 21, $10 GIK calls, and you'll see the risk level there. Anything red is super high risk. They're not all like that. And you'll see there's certain types of plays. Those dumpster diamonds are like $5, $10, $15 plays, super cheap, but with huge potential. Like Fuse is sitting at $10 right now, and there's $1 million buy order at $9.95. So I believe it'll end above $10. And if it ends over $10.05, if that thing goes up, 5%, I'll have made a good chunk of change. It'll be good to go. So, alerted Palantir, those ran today too. All these are runners today. Also, you'll get these daily sentiment reports where I give you an overview of the market, the call flow and the put flow of the general market, what those percentages are. Letting you know that Tesla was breaking out at 10 a.m. Tesla broke out again at 11 a.m. Just letting you know if it holds above 740, then we're good. Other stocks that are breaking out, going flying, let you know my plays, risk levels, my plays, risk levels. Another Tesla was building support and resistance levels, and I was just letting those be known. And you'll see these are some of my safer plays. We got like the AGC. I use July debit spreads instead of just buying calls. These UPS calls all the way in October, much safer plays. And then I'll let you know when I'm selling, but I want you to pick your own sales points. I'm not your babysitter. I just do what I do, and it works for me. So I took more profits on Tesla. I still held on to like 70% of my position. Let them know the profits on that trade were insane. Made like $60,000 today off that trade. Also letting everybody else know, don't forget to take your profits. Don't forget to share your wins. Let them know CPNG is running, because these are all stocks that we were holding. So it was actually a fairly inactive day in terms of what I was buying. Usually I'm moving a lot more stuff than this, and selling actually. But I was 100% zoomed in on Tesla and focused there. So let me see if I pull another day out for you. Actually, the past couple of weeks I've been kind of holding back. But you'll see, I'll let you know what the 10 years doing. I was telling you Tesla's ready to run last night at 7 p.m. Or maybe that was 2 nights ago even. But whenever it was, I was fucking right. Here's the risk levels that you get. So the red are tightrope over the Grand Canyon, super high risk, looking for super high returns. Yellow, medium risk, looking for medium returns. And green are lower risk, looking for decent returns, nothing too crazy. All right, so I hope this gives you a little bit of an inside look into what you get with the alerts. And I'm offering you 7 days for free. You can't really beat that. I highly recommend you take me up on it and come eat like we eat. All right.